In this video, we're making this Christmas cake which requires no soaking and it's perfect to make last minute. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease line your baking pan and set that aside. Now in a saucepan, add the water, the butter, the brown sugar. I'm using demerara sugar that I powdered in a grinder because I did not have brown sugar on hand. Then add the raisins, cinnamon powder, clove powder, nutmeg powder, ground ginger or ginger powder, and then switch on the flame and turn it to medium. And keep stirring until it all melts and comes together. The butter might get a bit lumpy at first, but don't worry and just keep mixing. Now once that is done, let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. And after that, you're going to switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Now after it has cooled, you're going to add in the tutti frutti and the vanilla extract and mix it in. Then crack open 2 eggs and beat them. And add them to this mixture and mix them in. Now in another bowl, you're going to take the flour and add in the baking soda and mix it till well combined. Now add the flour to the wet mixture and mix it in. Make sure not to overmix, just mix until the flour is incorporated. Then pour this in your prepared pan. And bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure not to overbake it. A toothpick or a skewer inserted in the center should come out clean. And then you're going to let this cool completely and cover it with some aluminum foil and let it sit overnight. And the next day you can take it out of the pan and then cut it into slices. Serve this with some tea or coffee on Christmas morning and enjoy! This cake is super moist, dense, and fluffy and tastes absolutely rich and delicious. The spices add so much warmth to it and it's perfect on a winter morning. I really do hope you give this a try this Christmas and let me know how it turns out. I'll see you soon with new recipes. Bye!